How y'all doing? CJ Moto, and it's been a little while. Anyhow, I'm back, and yeah, just sitting here. I got this thing hooked up. Wanted to just show you. I painted up my first ever Techno EB 48.4 stock body, and I actually like it more in person than I did just in pictures and stuff. And I also like that it definitely fits really good. So that's a plus. And I finally went the Velcro route, and it seems like it's going to work pretty good. So I just put some Velcro strips because the places where I was having all my cracks in my bodies, like the bodies would be brand new, and then I would get cracks right around the holes in the bodies. So I know you can slot the holes. I didn't do that enough apparently, but I'm just going to go without the body posts and just Velcro it on from now on. And then I also got some fast Eddy bearings, and just check that out. And you could hear those things if I put the microphone up to the wheel. Watch how long that sucker spins for. So yeah, that drivetrain is super free. It's like pretty awesome. Still going. Still going. So yeah, that's going to be super nice. You want to go through and make sure you're keeping your bearings maintained and everything. Anyhow, I didn't have anything specific to really discuss today, but you can definitely see this thing's looking clean. I'll give you a little close-up video of it after this, but yeah, it's looking great. I use that Maxima SC1. It's a silicone oil. So anyhow, I would definitely like that. So thumbs up for fast Eddy bearings. Hopefully they work out good. So yeah, there she is. Went from a sandy, dusty mess to this with a full rebuild. Definitely took some time, but I'm very happy with it. And I also switched over to PT oils for my shocks. As you can see there, I got 650 in the front shock and I got 550 in the rear. And yeah, those shocks feel amazing. They rebound really, really fast. But anyhow, yeah, look at this. So smooth. Can't wait to get it back on the track. Just gonna do family time this weekend and then get it back on there. I went back to the high downforce Techno wing because I just love the durability of that wing. It just holds up like crazy. So see how the bottom looks after about 40 hours on it. It's not too shabby. Definitely got some wear, but that chassis has a ton of life left in it. Very impressed overall with Techno. Awesome, awesome. And if you do try to spin your wheels like this and they don't spin like this, make sure you take the pinion gear off because it's the drag in your Tekin motor. I mean, there's not a lot of drag, but it's not going to let your drivetrain spin as free. Anyhow, I'm going to let y'all get going, and thanks for stopping by. CJ Moto out.